Because of your efforts, we are now ready to progress to the next phase. Phase 3 will begin in 2 weeks' time, on the 28th of December. So we will end the year with some good news.
Ending the year with some good news indeed, and here are the 5 things you need to know about Phase 3, which will start on December 28th.
The most significant change, 8 people will be allowed to meet up, dine out or visit someone's home. That's up from the current limit of 5. But a word of caution, PM Lee said that everyone will still need to keep their guard up.
This is absolutely not the time to relax and let our guard down, or to hold a big party, imagining that the problem has disappeared. Progressing from Phase 2 to Phase 3 is a calibrated, careful move. We are easing the restrictions in a controlled way so that we can keep the COVID-19 situation stable and take more steps forward later.
The second thing you need to know is that Phase 3 may last quite a while, possibly a year or more, as the virus is most likely still circulating silently within the community. So we've all got to play our part and stay vigilant.
The other big news of the day is that COVID-19 vaccinations will be free for all Singaporeans and long-term residents. And Singapore has approved the use of the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine.
The first shipment should get here by the end of this month, and other vaccines are expected to follow suit, and there will be enough vaccines for everyone who wants it by the third quarter next year.
The Ministry of Health recommends that the entire adult population aged 16 and above should be vaccinated, but vaccinations will be voluntary. PM Lee urges everyone to get it.
So I strongly encourage you to get vaccinated too when the vaccine is offered to you. Because when you get yourself vaccinated, you're not just protecting yourself, you're also doing your part to protect others, especially your loved ones.
And first priority will be given those at greatest risk, healthcare workers and frontline personnel, as well as the elderly and vulnerable. PM Lee also stressed that in order to show Singaporeans that the government trusts that the vaccines are safe, he and his colleagues in Cabinet, including the older ones, will be getting vaccinated early.
And Singapore has made significant investment into securing vaccines early, setting aside more than $1 billion to sign advance purchase agreements and make early down payments for the most promising vaccine candidates, including with Pfizer-BioNTech, Moderna and Sinovac.
We made arrangements with pharmaceutical companies to facilitate their clinical trials and drug development in Singapore, and attracted a few to establish vaccine manufacturing capabilities here. This gave our own scientists and researchers the opportunity to do cutting-edge work. It was also insurance in case the global supply chain was disrupted. This way, we built up a diversified portfolio of options to ensure that Singapore would be near the front of the queue for vaccines and not last in line.